With this quick technique, you'll be able to create time-distorted glitch effect in Premiere Pro. I've already imported my clip onto the timeline. The first thing we need is a duplicate of this footage. Simply hold Alt or Option and drag the clip upward to create a copy. Now select the duplicated layer, head over to the Effects panel, and search for Strobe Light. Double-click to apply it. Let's customize the effect. Inside Effect Controls, set the strobe duration to 0.1 second. This controls how long each flash remains visible. You can also experiment with different colors, and if the effect feels too strong, use Blend with Original to control its intensity. I'll leave the strobe period at its default value of 1 second, which determines how often the strobe occurs. Here's where things get interesting. Change the strobe option to make layer transparent. In theory, this should reveal the clip underneath, but if you look at the result right now, absolutely nothing happens. That's because we're missing one crucial step. Move about 10 frames forward and shift the duplicated clip to that position. Suddenly, the effect comes to life. Now it looks like the footage is briefly jumping ahead in time before snapping back. Pretty cool already. Notice how the glitch appears every second, but real glitches aren't predictable. They feel random. To create that randomness, add a keyframe to random strobe probability. Move a few seconds forward and increase the value to 100%. Now the distortion feels much more organic and chaotic, but we can push it even further. Search for VR Chromatic Aberrations and apply it. Instantly, those RGB color splits add a much more convincing digital glitch aesthetic. And here's another trick. Add the black and white effect, but make sure it's placed above VR Chromatic Aberrations in the effects stack. This creates an even more dramatic visual break. You can also experiment with parameters like scale. For example, setting it to 105 adds a subtle zoom that makes every glitch hit harder. And just like that, you've created a time-distorted glitch effect in Premiere Pro that's fast, customizable, and surprisingly effective. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.